Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by disconnecting the battery negative for 10 seconds before starting work to prevent short circuits and airbag faults. Gather a #2 Phillips driver, T20 Torx, 10 mm socket, a plastic trim tool, needle nose pliers, and an 8 Nm torque wrench for final bolts. Park the Honda Pilot on a level surface with the visor folded down and passenger seat clear. This gives better access to the headliner and A-pillar trim. Keep all screws in a small container and label them so reassembly is straightforward and error-free. Pry the plastic trim cups with a trim tool to expose the mounting screws and avoid scratching the headliner. Remove 2 screws and one 10 mm bolt holding the visor bracket, keeping track of their locations. Fold the visor to access the inner connector if equipped. Unplug the illuminated visor connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight to avoid damaging the clip. Carefully lower the visor assembly away from the headliner while supporting any wiring, and inspect the mount and headliner for damage before installing the new unit. Position the new visor, aligning the bracket and inserting fasteners finger tight so the holes match and the wiring sits clear of the headliner. Reconnect the illuminated visor connector, route the wire into the headliner channel, and secure the bracket with the 2 screws and 10 mm bolt. Torque the mounting bolts to 8 Nm using an 8 Nm torque wrench to prevent over-tightening. Snap the plastic trim cups back in place, reconnect the battery negative, and test the visor lights, mirror, and sliding action to confirm proper installation and function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.